individuals, respected principal, excellencies, teachers and my dear friends. How different is this morning? Dear audience, you will find yourself as the cultural program starts. Nothing is incompleted in the presence and blessing of God. For that, I would like to welcome Aisha Naushad for praise song. Welcome Aisha. Well, my first and foremost duty on behalf of principal, teachers and my friends is to welcome you all to Onsins Public School Youth Festival Talent Year 2K20. For that, I would like to welcome Surya UR for welcome speech.
A very graceful morning to all. Our school youth festival Talent Year 2K20 is held on online by overcoming all the crises of COVID-19. For today's function, I would like to welcome our Honorable Principal Sister, who is the backbone of our school. Welcome, Sister. Today's our chief guest is a person who need no introduction among us. He is entertaining us for the last 2 decades with his outstanding acting skill. And also awarded by the Kerala State for his brilliant acting performance in Krishnagudiyil Pranayakalatha and T.D. Das Standard 6B. Let us put our hands together and welcome our chief guest, Sri Viju Menon sir, to this grand function. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our PTA President, Sri Libby Abraham sir, who is always supporting us for the progress of our school. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to welcome all the teachers and non-teaching staff who are joining here for making this day a beautiful one. Welcome you all. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all the parents and students for this grand event. Welcome you all. Once again, I welcome you all to this function. Wish you all the best and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya. Now we will have our auspicious traditional lamp lighting program. As to God, God created us to help us and gain success in our life. But on today, COVID-19 pandemic was spread all over the life and disturbed living organism. For lighting the lamp, I would like to welcome respected principal, Sister Lynn Salakal and all lovable teachers. So I heartily welcome Biju Menon sir, who is predominantly appearing in Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu films, who won Kerala Film Awards for 2 times and Filmfare Awards South for 2 times. So I heartily welcome you to inaugurate All Saints Public School Youth Festival, Talent Year 2K20. Welcome sir.
നമസ്കാരം. ഓൾ സെയിൻസ് സ്കൂളിന്റെ ആർട്സ് ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ടാലന്റ് ഇയർ 2020ക്ക് എന്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ്.
Thank you sir for your inspiring words. I would like to welcome our respected principal, Sister Liz Alakan, who is backbone of our institution and sculptor of human character. Welcome sister.
Dear parents, teachers, non-teaching staff and my dear students. We are going to have the Art Fest Talent Share 2K23 online, which is an initiative to promote the inner talents of our young minds. And it is the time for our children to give a break from the online studies and refresh their minds with some extracurricular activities too. Art is an integral part of our lives, and during this crisis, let's make it live. More than the spirit of competitions, we need to respect the art for art's sake. We have COVID limitations. We restrict the art fest with some major single events. We also expect all parents to support this new venture, and also we expect all children to take part at least one event. Wish you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you sister for your motivational words. Today we will have a combination and rainbow of cultural programs under the hardship of our teachers. Welcome all dance performers. activity. Next, I would like to welcome Libby Abraham sir, who is our energetic PTA president of All Saints Public School and Junior College, who is always supportive and encouraging us for every events and program.
ഏറ്റവും ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സിസ്റ്റർ, ഈ കലോത്സവത്തിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടകൻ, അധ്യാപകരെ, അനധ്യാപകരെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, ആഘോഷങ്ങളുടെ അകമ്പടിയില്ലാതെയും ആരവങ്ങളില്ലാതെയും ഒരു കലോത്സവം കൂടി ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ തങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ കഴിവുകളെ പുറം ലോകത്തെത്തിക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി പ്രയത്നിക്കുന്ന സ്കൂൾ മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിനെയും അധ്യാപകരെയും അകമഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ പ്രശംസിക്കുന്നു. ജയതോൽവികൾ ഈ മത്സരങ്ങളിൽ ഉള്ളതാണല്ലോ. പതിവിലും വിപരീതമായി വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെക്കാൾ രക്ഷിതാക്കളായിരിക്കാം ഈ മത്സരങ്ങളുടെ പ്രേക്ഷകർ. തങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടികൾ കഴിവുകൾ പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് ജഡ്ജസിൻ്റെ തീരുമാനം അന്തിമമാണെന്നുള്ള ബോധ്യം എല്ലാ മാതാപിതാക്കൾക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളോട് അപേക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. സന്തോഷത്തിൻ്റെ സുദിനങ്ങൾ നമുക്കിനിയും ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ. എല്ലാ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും വിജയാശംസകൾ നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Sarda teacher, who is representative of all staff and teachers of our institution. Welcome, teacher, for felicitation.
Good morning to all. Respected Principal Sister Lynn Salakil, our beloved Chief Guest Mr. Biju Menon, PTA President Sri Libby Abraham, dear teachers, parents, non-teaching staffs and my dearest children. School youth festivals are the cradles of students' artistic and cultural development. These festivals give students an opportunity to express their talents. Even when COVID-19 was ahead of us as pandemic, All Saints Public School never missed an opportunity to develop the skills of children. Dear children, to prove your talents, the doors towards your talents and creativity is opened today. You just look at yourself, you will find different colors of wings surrounded by you. Try to use those wings with confidence and prove yourself. We hope that this Talent Share 2K20 will always be an unique experience that you can keep in your mind. All the best for this event and all the participants. Thank you all.
Thank you, teacher. Now hold your breath for another dance performance. For that, I would like to welcome Vivek BL and Andrew E.T.
പിന്നെ അത് പാട്ട് കാണാം. നമ്മളെ മറ്റേ അയ്യപ്പൻ കോശി സിനിമയിലെ അമ്മ പാടിയ പാട്ട് ഇട്ടാ.
ഓ അത് മതി, എങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഒന്ന് പൊളിക്കും.
DJ on SKS.
Mrs. Sajla Roy teacher to present Art of Thanks. Welcome teacher.
Respected Principal Sister, Honorable Chief Guest, PTA President, Staff Secretary, School Head Boy, parents, teachers, non-teaching staff and dear children. It's a great pleasure to be here with the words of gratitude. As you all know, education is not only the mere study of syllabus, but it is also the overall development of an individual. And in order to encourage our children, we have decided to conduct the online youth festival. Let me come to my duty. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Almighty God who gave us this wonderful opportunity. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to our beloved principal, Sister Linz Alakel, who is the backbone of our school, gives us support and encourages in all our school activities. Thank you, sister. Next, it is a wonderful opportunity to express our sincere thanks to our chief guest, scene artist Mr. Biju Menon, who gave a wonderful motivational speech for our young artist through his inaugural speech. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our PTA President, Mr. Libby Abraham, who gives us great support and being a part of our school in all the activities. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our beloved Staff Secretary, Mrs. Sarida, who is very energetic and enthusiastic in all our school activities. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our school head boy, Master Surya Dutt, who gave us a wonderful welcome speech and being a part of our school. Thank you, Surya Dutt. Now, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the parents who are the well-wishers, gives great support, encourages us and in all our school activities for the development of our school. Thank you, parents. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their hard work and support for all the programs of our school to make it the best. Thank you, dear colleagues. At last, but not the least, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all my dear children who is a part of our school and actively taking part in all the activities to make it a grand success. Thank you, dear children. Once again, thank you to all.
Teacher, wishing a great success to Talent Share 2K20 and to all participants. Thank you and have a great day.
Be the power of all saints, be the strength of all saints, we are the love of all saints, we lift our hands and raise our hands, we are proud of all saints, be the power of all saints, we